Hi, this video is designed to show you how to change your password. So if you're starting out in your Google page, you can go over to where your initials are and click there. This is going to open up an area where you can manage your Google account. And then you can go over to your personal information. And then you can scroll down to where password is. And you're going to want to change it. Click on it. It's going to take you to a new page. It wants to verify that it's you logging in, so you have to put your old password first. So we're going to do that. It's going to log me in and ask me to create a new password. So make sure your password's something that you'll remember, that you write it down somewhere, and that you don't share with others, so you can keep it as secure as possible. You don't want anyone stealing your identity at school or trying to do your homework for you. So put in your new password, and we're going to do something that I'll remember. And it's going to ask you to confirm your password so that you do it twice so that you know that you're actually doing it right. And then you're going to hit change password. If you typed it incorrectly, it should work. So now your password's changed and you should be able to log it back into your account. Be sure to change your password occasionally just to keep it fresh and to keep it safe by not sharing it with others. Have a great day.